Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing understanding document types in SAP Financial Accounting. Document types are crucial for classifying and managing financial transactions in SAP FE. So let's dive right in. 1. What are document types? Document types in SAP serve as key identifiers that classify various accounting documents. They are defined at the client level and play a vital role in distinguishing between different business transactions. Each document type is entered in the document header, which helps manage document storage and retrieval. Common document types include UB, General Document, DR, Customer Invoice, KR, Vendor Invoice, SA, GL Account Document, DZ, Customer Payment. 2. Functions of document types. Document types serve several important functions. 1. Transaction classification. They help categorize financial transactions, making it easier to identify their nature. 2. Account allocation. Document types dictate which account categories, such as vendor, customer, or GL accounts, can be used for postings. 3. Number range management. Each document type has an associated number range, ensuring that documents are stored sequentially. 3. How to define document types in SAP. Now, let's look at how to define a document type in SAP. 1. Enter transaction code OBA7 in the command field. 2. Navigate to the following path. SPRO SAP reference IMG Financial Accounting Global Settings Document Header Define document types. 3. Click on New Entries and fill out the necessary fields. Document type, a unique 2-digit code. Example, JV for journal voucher. Number range, specify the number range for this document type. Reverse document type, if applicable, define a reverse document type. Account types allowed, choose which account types can be posted with this document type. 4. Once all fields are filled out, click Save to store your new configuration. 4. Key document types and their uses. Let's explore some key document types and their specific uses. Document type description. UB General Document, DR Customer Invoice, DZ Customer Payment, KR Vendor Invoice, KG Vendor Credit Memo, SA GL Account Document. Each of these document types serves a unique purpose in financial transactions, ensuring accurate recording and reporting. 5. Importance of using document types. The use of document types is crucial for maintaining organized financial records. They enable businesses to ensure compliance with regulatory requirements, facilitate easier tracking and analysis of financial data, streamline processes by automating certain aspects of transaction handling. 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding document types in SAP Financial Accounting is essential for effective financial management. By categorizing transactions correctly, organizations can enhance their reporting accuracy and operational efficiency. If you found this video informative, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights on SAP topics, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching.